I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to send money on Kajabi, follow these straightforward steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Log into your Kajabi account. Start by accessing your Kajabi dashboard using your login credentials. This is where all your settings and features are located. Step 2. Navigate to the Payments section. Once you're in the dashboard, find the Payments option in the left-hand menu. This is where you can manage all financial transactions. Step 3. Select Send Money. In the Payments section, look for the Send Money option. Click on it to initiate the process of sending funds. Step 4. Enter recipient details. Fill in the required information for the recipient, including their email address and the amount you wish to send. Double-check these details to avoid mistakes. It's easy to mistype an email address, which could lead to sending money to the wrong person. Step 5. Confirm and send. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. I hope this guide helps you navigate sending money on Kajabi with ease. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out.